friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I will talk about ENERMAX first LGA4677 AIO for Intel Xeon W Sapphire Rapids processor. So friend, ENERMAX has announced that its overclocking upgraded AIO CPU Cooler LIQTECH TR4 II series is now ready for Intel LGA4677 Xeon platform, and friends, the CPU mounting kits inside of the new version of LIQTECH TR4 II are designed for Intel Sapphire Rapids based W3400 and W2400 series Xeon processors with socket LGA4677 and AMD Ryzen Threadripper PRO processors with socket SWRX8 and STRX4 and TR4, as well as AMD socket SP3 for AMD EPYC processors, and awarded as the best AIO CPU cooler in European hardware awards. The LIQTECH TR4 II series is the world's first AIO CPU cooler tailored to provide 100% full coverage of the integrated heat spreader of the board AMD Ryzen Threadripper PRO and upcoming Intel Xeon Sapphire Rapids processor with unparalleled cooling results. And friend, the unbeatable cooling capacity makes it the best cooling solution for both Intel Xeon W3400 and W2400 series processor and AMD Ryzen Threadripper PRO processor designed for workstation and high-end desktops. So friend, it also provides LGA4677 mounting kits to users who have already purchased LIQTECH TR4 II and plan to install on LGA4677 platform. And friend, this series comes with the Intel Xeon LGA4677 mounting kits. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.